Welcome to the Lenses simulation. In this simulation, you'll investigate the refraction of light using the lens. Use the top middle menu options to select either a concave or convex lens. Choose the object to be refracted using the top left menu drop-down. Select and drag the object right or left to various distances away from the lens to complete measurements and other data collection. The top right menu provides tools for measuring distances associated with both the image and the object. Use the bottom menu to change the radius of curvature, index of refraction, and/or the diameter of the lens. The Rays menu option gives you displays of some, many, or no rays. Select the orange Reset button to return the screen to its original state.